Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, friends. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. So we already talked 210 MCQs that is related to chapter number 2. In the previous almost 6 or 7 videos lecture, we talked about 30 more MCQs. And in each of the videos lecture, we talked 30 MCQs respectively. Okay. Now this is our 7th or 8th video lecture that is regarded to the MCQs of the chapter number 2, and we will start from the 211 MCQs. So let's start from this. Now MCQs 211 says that MC Fedayant's reaction is used to detect, so it is mostly used to detect the Bacillus anthracis is the correct option. Gaze gangrene is caused by, so it is mostly caused by obligate and aerobes. B is the correct option. Coagulase test, it is mostly used for the Staphylococcus aureus. B is the correct option. HIV belong to, so HIV mostly belong to retrovirus, retroviridia is the correct option. Special feature of retrovirus, so special feature of retrovirus is reverse transcriptase RNA directed DNA polymerase, so both A, B is the correct option. MCQs 216 says that what is AIDS virus? So AIDS is mostly retrovirus. C is correct option. Okay. Now AIDS is caused by, it is mostly caused by all these viruses. Okay, Bano, human T lymphocyte virus, etc. Human T lymphocyte 1, human T lymphocyte 3. Okay, so all of these is the correct option. So D is the correct option, we can say. Which of the following organism is the most commonly associated with AIDS pneumonia? So in this case the correct option is Mycoplasma tuberculosis. D is the correct option. 219 says that seroconversion in HIV infection take place, so it mostly take place 9 weeks. C is the correct option. Now MCQs 220 says that the marker in HIV infection is, the correct option is A, reverse transcriptase, mostly reverse transcriptase. Okay, which one of the following is the most specific in diagnosis of the AIDS? So Western blotting is mostly used for the AIDS diagnosis, although these are also using for the AIDS, but Western blotting is one of the best technique. The interval period between HIV infection and appearance of antibody in the serum, so what we call that window period. C is the correct option. Screening test for AIDS, so for AIDS we mostly use Western blotting test, is the correct option. Now confirmatory test for the AIDS, so whenever we want to confirm whether they have AIDS, so we mostly perform the Western blotting. Now for screening of the AIDS we use ELISA. Okay, now the most common infectious in AIDS is pneumocystis cranii. C is the correct option. During AIDS, HIV infect, so HIV infects CD4 lymphocytes. B is the correct option. Lab diagnostic leishmaniasis is done by, so it is done by peripheral smear. D is the correct option, all of these. Okay. MCQs number 28 says that those fungi which do not have a sexual stage are classified as, so it is mostly classified as fungi imperfecti. D is the correct option. Tiny capacious is what? So tiny capacious is actually a ring form of non-hair skinny body. C is the correct option. MCQs number 30. MCQs number 30 is diagnosis of bacterial disease can be made by, finding bacteria in pathological fluid, isolation of bacteria by culture from the exudate or blood. So both A, B is the correct option. C is the correct option. Staphylococcus aureus are characterized by, so it is mostly catalase positive. C is the correct option. Cholera occur in the form of, so cholera are mostly occur in the form of, so it is epidemic, so all of these, D is the correct option. Epidemic typhus, what is epidemic typhus? So it is mostly caused by R. musiri, A is correct option. A man is usually infected for thick typhus, so the correct option is inhaling infected dust. Due to this way, man will be infected by a thick typhus. MCQs 235 says that in gram-positive bacteria, ratio of RNA to DNA is 8:1, is the correct option. Zell-Nielsen stain is A, so it is mostly differential stain. C is the correct option. MCQs 237. Wet bond slide preparation are used in microbiology because they allow to see what? They allow to see size, shape, characteristics of the cell, motility. So D is the correct option. All of these. 38 MCQ says that organism resistant to degradative lysosomal enzyme that include to, so it mostly include into Mycobacterium tuberculosis as well as Mycobacterium leprae. So D is the correct option. Both Legionella pneumophila, B and C. Yeah, E is the correct option. Okay, Legionella pneumophilia and Mycobacterium leprae. So E is the correct option. MCQs 239 says that freeze etch particle, which we mostly used in the cell preparation for electron microscope, it is mostly located in where? So it is mostly located in the cell membrane. C is the correct option. 40 MCQ says that the property common to gram positive and gram negative cell wall are equally, so it is actually greater resistance to dry than vegetative cell. D is the correct option. So that's all about the other 30 MCQs that is related to the chapter number 2, and I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.